Hi everyone, and welcome back to Business 203. I'm sure that you found the introductory assignments engaging and fun to do and great to know each other. So now we're up to week 2, week of August the 30th. Okay, and I've made this site available, obviously, otherwise I would not have this video. Particularly what I want to do is go over, okay, responding to wikis. Okay, so I've already talked about the beginning part of the assignment, but now let's take a look at clicking Team Assignment Part 1 and Team Assignment Part 2. And you'll notice, please click into Teams. When you click into Teams, then you're going to click into Wiki number 1 because there are 2 wikis. All right, and you're going to respond to the wikis. All right, now notice again, you will see only your team. You will not see Team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you will see only your team. So I'm using Team 1 again as an example. When you get into Team 1, click into Group Wiki. When you click into Group Wiki, you will see Wiki number 1. We start with Wiki number 1, of course, before we go on to Wiki number 2. So your first assignment for Wiki number 1 is to choose a team manager for this week's session. Once the team has chosen a team manager, the team manager will type his or her name for this team assignment in Wiki number 1. Obviously, you're viewing the video, so that's not a big deal right now. And the assignment is due on Monday, September 6th. How do you respond to a wiki? All right, you see the assignment, click into comment. All right, when you click into comment, you'll see the comment box. It looks like a dialog box. And the team manager will say, the team manager for wiki number 1 is Mary Jones. All right. Now, after the team manager types this, the team manager has to click add. If you do not click add, you won't see comments. All right. Right now, there's only one comment, and there should be only one comment, because it's the team manager who is going to respond. All right. So we know how to do wiki number 1. Then you're going to go into wiki number 2. All right. After 1 comes 2. Wiki number 2 is a little more sophisticated. All right. So your team will assign a name to your team that is related to business or office technology. Create a team logo. Everyone knows what a logo is. Just think of Pepsi and Coke and Nike and anything else that comes to your head. A mission statement, very brief. This is not an introduction to business. A team motto or tagline for your team. What is your team all about? Now, this is not introduction to business, Business 100. I want something very simple. Other classes, when I've taught this, thought that they wanted a product. I didn't ask for a product. I only asked for the name of your team. What is your team? Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4, Team 5. What are you going to call yourself? And it has to be something related to business or office technology. And I understand that there are nurses in in each of the teams or some of your teams. You'll have a nursing student or a rad tech student or a liberal arts student, whatever. It doesn't matter. This is a business class. So you're just going to create a name, assign a name, and you're going to create a logo, a mission statement, a team motto, or tagline for your team. What is your team all about? The team manager will submit the team logo as an attachment. The team manager will type the team name, mission statement, team motto, or tagline in Team Wiki number 2. Of course, you're watching the video. All right, making sure, okay, that you are managers. Please note, make sure to add in the Team Wiki only those students who participated in the project. If someone did not participate in the project and you list the person as participating, that person will receive the same grade as everyone who did the project. I will only know from Wiki number 2 who worked on the project when the manager lists the names of the participants. And how are you going to do this? How are you going to create a team logo, mission statement, and all of that? Click comment. Here's your dialog box. All right. The team name is Computer Wizards. Okay. And on the same one, the team mission statement is to do our best to make communication easy. All right? And the team tagline, okay? Thinking about team, the team tagline is communication works. Again, these are all just off the top of my head. All right. So when after you type this in, okay, the name of the team mission statement, and the team tagline, click add. If you do not click add, you will not see this, and I won't be able to see your comments. All right. Now to do the logo, all right, the logo, that's the only thing that you need to do. Okay, you go into your teams, okay, and this is team 1, and in the teams, go into file exchange, okay, because you have to create your team logo as a JPEG or video or anything. Be creative. You're all intelligent. Be creative. You could use clip art. You could use anything on the internet. Add file, and you are going to say the name of your team, obviously team 1 or team 2 or team 3, and you're going to attach the file from your computer. All right? And you know how to do that. Okay? Then you're going to click submit. Okay, a file must be attached, but anyway, you get the idea. Okay? So, if you have any questions, please make sure that you work with your team. If the team cannot come to consensus with the questions, or not consensus, but the correct answer to the question, then please make sure that you put in the class discussion board the question that your team has. All right? So any questions? We're good. Okay, this should be a fun exercise. This helps us to get to know our team members a lot better, and this is a simple exercise so that you get to see who can work effectively, who needs a little more help, who needs a little more time. All right, folks, thanks so much. Bye-bye.